All right, Jill, let's go to checkout. Okay, honey, you gonna want to stick around for this Dollar Tree haul, because when I tell you this Dollar Tree was definitely had me out here moving my feet to the beat. Okay, honey, they makeup section, chef kiss. Okay, you hear what I said? Chef kiss. Okay, let's go to checkout now, honey.
Truly $6.66.
These are the items that, honey, you just gotta rock back and forth. They so good. You ever felt like that? You had an item, you just gotta rock back and forth because the item is so good, child. So good. Okay? You guys want to stay tuned for this. I think you're gonna like this. In fact, I know you're gonna like this because you're a fancy little something, aren't you? Alright? Okay? Get into it and let's do it. Has some amazing goodies. Okay, make sure you guys stay tuned for this video. Deals like Holyfield. Okay, let's get into it.
I can almost assure you that some of the items in this Dollar Tree, you may have not seen them, okay? Because they new to my eyes, doll face, okay? All right, now, if you've seen them, just let me know, okay? Because, sometimes I could be wrong, and I ain't afraid to admit it. But check them out. You checking? Honey, not me. Dollar Tree, okay? Honey, get into this makeup. Isn't she fancy? I seen the girl last night on TikTok doing her makeup, and she was doing a cut crease and stuff like that. I said, "Oh, child, it looks so easy," right? And she was like, "It's nothing to it," okay? And I said, "You know what? You're absolutely right. It's nothing to it, but for me to do it, okay? All right, now let's get into this." Listen, my love, have you seen this? Did you? You seen it? What is it? Because you said you seen it. What is this then? Okay. All right, I'm going to show you. Listen, okay? So this is the eyebrow and hairline powder, okay? Get into it. Dollar Tree said it's nothing out here for us to do it. This is a matte and lightweight, perfect for travel eyebrow and hairline powder, okay? $1.25. Honey, still deal. Dollar Tree, you know what? They the fanciest of the fanciest for you and me, okay? Ooh, child. Ooh. Honey, I think you're going to like this one. This next item, I really believe you're going to like this. Okay, honey, they got so many new items. Check them out. Peace, family. Peace. Okay, so today we are at Dollar Tree in Union, New Jersey. Thank you. On Route 22. Okay, child, fancy. Let's see what ooh, child, to say the least. They got some fancy items, okay? You ready for this, Linda? I hope you are, okay? Check them out. All right, you see this? This is the Smoky Delight by Marie Claire, okay? High pigment payoff, easily blendable highlighter, eyeshadow, and contour, okay? $1.25. This is the first Dollar Tree that I've been to that I had seen something like this, okay? Or is that? No, that's not the one I have, okay? Fancy Pantsy Mancy. Honey, Dollar Tree is doing the thing, moving their feet to the beat. Now, Dollar Tree also have this for the brow. This is a brow freezer, sculpting gel. I have this at home. When I tell you, if you see this at your Dollar Tree, you may want to pick you up one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is $1.25. Fancy Pantsy Mancy. So you know what? It's definitely the packaging for me. All right, Marie Claire. Who is Marie Claire, honey? Precision liquid eyeliner. Okay, this is $1.25. And then look at this. Okay, oh my goodness, they got everything, child. They also have the defining volumizing mascara, $1.25. You know what? I'm gonna try this, and then I'm also going to try. Now, this is the brow. This is the dual-ended brow pencil. This is $1.25. Honey, they just got everything, okay? They also have the felt tip, all right? This is the felt tip eyeliner. And then they also have this right here. This is the eyelash brow serum. Ooh, okay, so I'm going to try 3 of these. Okay. So we got it with 3. And then look at this. So when I'm telling you guys like about the plump, okay, look at this. This is also the lip plumper, fuller looking lips. Okay, collagen infused. This is $1.25. Dollar Tree has really come a long way. I remember I used to be like, girl, ain't nobody shop here. Right? I used to feel that way. Okay, now I can't stay out of here. Now they also have the exfoliating lip serum. We have seen this. This is pineapple extract and vitamin E for $1.25. Somebody had put these here. Honey, those don't go there. Oh, wait, child. They also have the cooling lip serum over here for $1.25. This is coconut oil mint extracts. Okay, now, when I told you guys that they definitely ain't playing, look at this. This is the contour stick for $1.25. They are definitely moving and grooving their feet to the beat. They not playing. Honey, Dollar Tree said we ain't holding no hostage. All right, wait, hold on, child. Hydrating night lip mask. Why? $1.25. Child, I don't know about Dollar Tree. Honey, they moving their feet to the beat real good out in these streets.
All right, family, so first up, we got the mascara, and I began to open it already. And this is from Marie Claire. When I tell you Dollar Tree is like really doing it, like with their items and stuff, oh my goodness, it's so good. I don't know why my phone is like, okay, so right now I don't have anything on my eyelashes. In fact, I just got out of the shower, and I'm just gonna put this on and let you guys see. I absolutely love the mascara, the brush, what you call this, a swooly, whatever. Okay, really cool. And when I tell you that Dollar Tree products, oh my goodness, is the packaging for me. And this already is so good, I want to say, because it's not like dry out. You know, sometimes you just got to be mindful of like when you buy Dollar Tree stuff. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so as you guys can see, right, on this, you can see the difference. Honey, I know you can, because I can see the difference, okay? On this lash, okay, you see the difference between this one and this one? On this one is nothing there. Okay, let's see. Okay, honey, when I tell you I'm already in love with this mascara, look at the packaging. I mean, this is so good. So another item that I had got from Dollar Tree was this is the Marie Claire Dew Ended Brow Pencil. Okay, and we're gonna go in and try this and see how this is. I'm so impressed with Dollar Tree items. They new items. Oh my goodness. You know, it's so funny because, you know, I used to be one of them gals who used to say, I would not shop at Dollar Tree. Are you kidding me? And child, you know, now look at this Dew Ended Brow. Okay. This Dew Ended Brow Brush. So I'm just going to do like this. Honey, and I got to look over here, okay? Ooh, very precise. Love this. Ooh, I absolutely love this. Ooh, child. Who is she? She is her. Okay, all right. She is her, honey. Ooh, child, Lord of mercy. Okay, honey, this is like one of those items you just gotta rock back and forth. You gotta rock back and forth because it's so good. Okay, you gotta rock back and forth.
All right, so this is definitely new. This nail polish right here, Cosmic Colors. Child, Dollar Tree is definitely. Let me know in the comment section if you guys seen this nail polish at your Dollar Tree. Now, you guys know You know what? I may not be wearing nails for a while. Probably the real short ones. Okay. But honey, this looks fancy pantsy mancy. $1.25, and they got all types of colors up in here. Really, really nice. Absolutely love this. So I heard that you was looking for some cheek and lip balm. Okay. I know some of you guys like, Dina, where do you come up with this? Honey, from Dollar Tree. Okay. All right. Definitely in a place to be. Listen, Dollar Tree has LA Colors Cheeky and Peachy peach scented tints. Okay. You ready for this, girl? I don't know if you ready. Let me know in the comment section you ready. Okay. Because I got all day. No, let me turn it around. Check them out. Alright, so Dollar Tree has the Cheeky and Peachy. Now, this tints lips pink. Okay, so it'll go from this, alright, looking plain Jane, and then it's going to turn your lips pink. They also have this one, which is cool. I think we seen this one the last at the previous Dollar Tree, probably 2 Dollar Trees ago. Okay, and then they also have this one, magically tints lips and cheeks pink. Okay, they also have the cheek and lip glitter balm. Okay, Cheeky Peach, $1.25. Honey, this, you know what this kind of puts me in a mind of? It was a girl that was she's on TikTok, right? And she had created this lip gloss that it went with your pH. Okay, so whatever your pH was, that's what color the lip gloss would turn your lips. Okay, I thought that was really, really cool, really nice. Dollar Tree also has this right here. Now, this is I don't know, you know, a part of me is saying, well, Dina, maybe this is not as new, right? The Marie Claire liquid blush soft pink. All right, a part of me feel like I've seen this before. All right, but they have two. So they have the soft pink right here, and then they also have the dusty pink. All right, and this is blush, of course, $1.25. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has with the Marie Claire. Now, this is the only Dollar Tree that I've seen this stuff in. They have this setting powder, okay, flawless finish. Keeps your makeup set all day. This is $1.25. That is the packaging for me. Alright, so I showed you guys the Nails, Lips, and More Sweetest Cosmetic Collection. Alright, so this is the lip balm over here. Really, really cute for the little girls. Absolutely love this. They also have more lip balm over here. And the cool thing about this is you get 2 pieces for $1.25. This one is that strawberries or oh no, this one is the cookies and cream. They also have the nail polishes down at the bottom. You get 2 for $1.25, and then they also have the ice cream cone. This is so cute. When I first seen this, I was like, oh my goodness, this is definitely a go. Okay, really, really cute. Absolutely love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have this steering wheel tray. Now, I had seen this at a previous Dollar Tree location, but it looked different at this one. Now, this one is $5, 2 ways to use it. Somebody was saying in the comments that, you know, people gonna be getting in accidents and stuff like that by using this. Now, honey, you can't drive with this thing on, okay? Not that I know of, all right? Now, warning, not for use while the vehicle is in motion. Well, maybe you can, but I thought you couldn't. Okay, now this is $5. Honey, come on. All right, logic says you cannot drive with this. Honey, get into this. Dollar Tree is now selling vacuum cleaners for the cars. This is $5. Chill. When I tell you they definitely moving their feet to the beat out in these streets, they not playing. And it says winner's circle. Okay, so you got to be in a winner's circle when you come and get this. $5, still deal. All right, so if you're a person, you're like, you know what, I want to do my home over, okay, I want to put some, you know, some decor up in there, all right, because it's looking plain Jane. Dollar Tree definitely has some pieces over here. These are $1.25, love you most, really, really cute. Then they also have this right here that says porch. They also have these little vases right here, which are $1.25, that comes in pretty much one color, okay, but I like these are cute. cute. And then they also have these great gifts. Now, they had these during, like before Christmas time, and this is pretty much like with the zodiac signs and stuff like that up at the top. Really, really love it. Absolutely cute. Oh, this is new. I never seen this. What is this? Oh, this is just the core. Honey, you know what? I'm ready for Dollar Tree decor. Okay, I'm ready for it. Now, remember, Dollar Tree also have the root touch-up, okay? Instant root touch-up, quickly, easily cover grays and roots. Right here at this Dollar Tree location, they only have the blonde of $1.25. Okay, so this Dollar Tree over here is selling boy shorts. Okay, these are $1.25. Child, Dollar Tree. When I tell you Dollar Tree came a long way for me, okay, this is $1.25. One pair, but they have this color and then they also have another color. So they also have this color. This is the first place that I came that I seen women's boy shorts. Honey, fancy are the McFanciest, okay? They also have the multi-purpose scarves over here, which are $1.25. Honey, get into it and do it. All right? Really, really cute. I like these, honey. I definitely wear these to sleep at night, okay? Really good. Honey, when I tell you they have everything, look at this. LED bedside reading light. Motion activated. This is $5. Child, they are, you know what, sometimes when I come up in here, I be like, oh my goodness, is this Dollar Tree? Because they definitely be doing it. Okay, now I had showed you guys last time at a previous location, Dollar Tree, that Dollar Tree is now selling salon quality, okay, mini hot irons, okay. They are definitely doing it. Now, these are $10, okay? This is the mini 3-barrel curling iron, okay? And then they also have the tapered curling wand. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so this is $10 as well, okay? Really, really fancy. Now, if you're a person that loves getting Ziploc bags, I highly recommend this, okay? I don't know how many, probably about 3 or 4 times I had purchased these bags, all right? I always stay with the little, is it the sandwich bags or the snack bags? Those two normally stay to the end, okay? Normally these 3, they go real quick, but this is $5 for 168 bags. This is definitely a steal deal, like Holyfield. Really good. Okay, so if you're a person, you're looking for some more Easter baskets, Dollar Tree definitely has it in a place to be. And look at Pete the Cat, ready for spring. Love this, okay? These are the coloring books. They also have Peeps, okay, jumbo coloring and activity book, Easter adventures. They also have Mickey, really cute, Mickey and Minnie. And then look at the huge Easter giant coloring book. This is $1.25. Absolutely love it. Oh, this is so cute. Bunny's exciting Easter. This is really cute. So this is the only place that I've been to, like the Dollar Tree that I've been to, that has like the little storybooks pertaining to Easter, okay? Spring celebration, unicorns, really cute. They also have these kitchen towers over here that's $1.25. Absolutely love it. They also have the snack dispensers down here, which comes in 3 different colors. They have the green, the blue, hold on child, 4, green, blue, purple, and pink. Love it. Okay, so as I was walking, I seen these are so cute. So these are 4 glasses for $1.25. Honey, get into it. So I guess this is like birthday theme or whatever. Really cute. They also have these crown pieces up here that says happy birthday. Did I buy my youngest daughter one of those? I don't know. It seems very familiar. Okay, so those are really cute. They also have some more party glasses up here. All right, 8 pieces for $1.25. Honey, tell me Dollar Tree ain't delivering. Okay, really fancy, movie groovy. Okay, and then of course they have some party favors and stuff like that. Really. Alright, so Dollar Tree also have these glass bottles right here. These are fancy. I absolutely like these. So they have them in 2 different colors. They have the orange and also the yellow. Really cute. $1.25. Alright, family, I totally forgot to tell you guys to end it, okay? To end the video. Oh my goodness. Make sure you guys rocking out, believe in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time. Peace.